Good morning, children. Let's continue the same chapter sets in which I want to discuss with you De Morgan's law using Venn diagrams and using some examples. Here, I have drawn Venn diagram of first De Morgan law, that is A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. What's the meaning of it? A complement union B complement. A complement is, this is A and complement is remaining elements, and B complement means leave it and remaining elements, and union means we have to combine all of them. Or A intersection B, this is common part and complement is remaining of it. That's why the shaded area is called A intersection B complement, which is equal to A complement union B complement. And the second De Morgan's law is A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. A union B, this is A union B, and complement means remaining element. And similarly, whenever you will take A complement and B complements intersection, you will get the same, and hence they are equal. By example, that will be more clear. Let us discuss. Here universal set is given to you from 0 to 9, and A and B having these two type of sets, and first De Morgan's law is A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. Let us verify. And first we have to find out A complement means remaining elements of A from universal set, B complement remaining elements of B from universal set, and let us solve left hand side. What is left hand side? A intersection B complement. A intersection B. What is common in A and B? You can see here 3 is common and 7 is common. That's why A intersection B is 3 and 7. And its complement we have to take from universal set, means in place of 3 and 7 we have to take remaining elements from universal set, and remaining elements are these. That's why left hand side is solved. And similarly we have to solve right hand side. For right hand side we are required A complement, we got it, and B complement, their union. Let us combine all elements of A complement and B complement, that will become right hand side. And you can see all elements are same, that's why LHS equal to RHS. This is first De Morgan's law, and similarly we will prove second by the same example. Let's see here. Second is A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. First we have to find out A union B. You know how to combine all elements of A and B and their complement. Complement means remaining elements from the universal set, that is 8. And here what we have taken, A complement intersection B complement, there is only 8 is common, and you can see as they are equal, LHS equal to RHS. This is proved De Morgan's law by this example. Now I'll explain to you how to find out complement of set builder form. Here universal set is given to you, set of positive integers, and if we want to find out odd positive integers complement, it means that will become even positive integer. Here complement of x minus 5 equal to 0. By solving it we will find out x equal to 5. Therefore its complement is x is not equal to 5. And similarly this example. On the basis of it you try these questions.